Mosquitoes are not just a nuisance. They can carry serious diseases like West Nile virus and Zika. Do your part from the start and prevent mosquito bites. When spending time outdoors, take these simple steps to protect yourself, your family, and your pets from mosquito-transmitted diseases. Use an EPA-registered repellent. Make sure it contains one of these active ingredients: DEET, picaridin, IR3535, or oil of lemon eucalyptus. When used as directed, repellents are proven safe and effective. Apply and reapply according to label directions. Adults should apply repellents to small children that may need help. Spray insect repellent on your hands and then apply to a child's face. Repellents are safe for pregnant women too. Talk to your physician if you have any concerns. Dress right. Wear loose-fitting, light-colored, long-sleeve shirts and pants. This makes it harder for mosquitoes to bite you. Avoid peak biting times. If possible, avoid spending time outdoors when mosquitoes are most active. Take these steps to fight the bite and prevent mosquito-borne diseases.